A delegation of a non-governmental organization, CLEEN Foundation, is seeking the support of the Edo State Ministry of Justice in promoting active participation of young lawyers in this year's Law Week of the NBA with the theme Connect and Cultivate Business Week of Law Workshop and Networking Mixer for Young Lawyers. The group made the appeal when they were received by the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Edo State, the Samson Osaige of the Ministry of Justice in Benin City. BTV News God Gift Omoni has the details.
The Center for Law Enforcement Education paid an advocacy visit to the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice of Edo State, Honorable Samson Osaige. The purpose of the visit was to engage the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice on matters relating to the monitoring, transparency, and accountability of criminal justice administration processes in Nigeria.
Monitoring of the criminal justice administration reform process in Nigeria. And the project began in 2016 when the law was passed and was targeted at creating awareness of the AJA 2015, the advocacy for the state adoption of the law through set of CSOs, through the setup of the CSO Observatory, and advocated for the adoption of the ACJL across the 6 political zone.
The CLEEN Foundation delegation was led by Mrs. Blessing Eromo, Edo State Program Officer, accompanied by Dr. Bright, Chairman CSO Observatory Group on ACJL Edo State, Isaac Noble Israel, Program Officer NABVID. During the meeting, CLEEN Foundation presented their proposals, strengthening the administration of criminal justice process through the effective implementation of administration of criminal justice law of Edo State. The team also highlighted the need for full implementation of the law through market campaigns, radio public sensitization, quarterly meetings of Civil Society Observatory, ACJMC, PDSS Advisory Committee, amongst others.
And I'm also a member of the CSO's Observatory Group for the SCJL. Once again, I am Dr. Bright Unyemokuko from the Indomitable Youth Organization and also the Chairman CSO Observatory Group on the Criminal Justice Law, Edo State.
My name is Mercy Unyemuli, and I am a journalist and a member of the CSO Observatory Group.
The foundation sought the Honorable Attorney General's support in facilitating high-level buy-in and coordination for the initiative. Additionally, CLEEN proposed a partnership with the Ministry on legal literacy campaigns and training workshops targeting justice sector actors.
The project titled Strengthening the Administration of Criminal Justice Process through Effective Implementation of Administration of Criminal Justice Law in Edo State. The project outlines a strategic plan to implement a comprehensive public engagement and capacity building initiative aimed at advancing the effective implementation of criminal justice legislation in Edo State. Specifically, the project focuses on raising public awareness of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law 2016 and the Anti-Torture Act 2017. While strengthening law enforcement agencies' ability to comply with these legal frameworks as well as their oversight. The purpose of this project is the primary objective of this initiative is to empower citizens, law enforcement agencies, and stakeholders with actionable knowledge on the provision and requirements of the ACJL and the Anti-Torture Act.
In response to the request of the team, the Edo State Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Dr. Samson Osaige, welcomed the delegation and expressed the ministry commitment to supporting initiatives that strengthen access to justice. He acknowledged the need for legal criminal justice reform and work with CLEEN on reviving the proposed criminal justice reform as a standard national minimum document recently launched on the implementation of National Criminal Justice Act of 2015.
The mandate of your foundation is inextricably linked with the mandate of our ministry as the legal arm of the Edo State government. It is our responsibility as the Ministry of Justice to provide legal services to Edo State government, its functionaries, and of course ministries, departments, and agencies. In other words, we are lawyers to Edo State government. So, thank you. As a foundation charged with the responsibility of carrying out legal education, building capacity of law enforcement agencies, and assisting in the promotion of transparency and accountability of our criminal laws, particularly the administration of the Criminal Justice Act and, of course, of the federal government and law of the states. It means we are partners in progress. We both share a common obligation to ensure that our criminal justice system works for the benefit of the society and for the protection of the rights of our citizens. We continue to partner with all of you in order to ensure that we do better than what we are doing today.
The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice immediately directed the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Justice to act swiftly on the proposal, as demonstrating his readiness in supporting criminal justice administration in Nigeria.
To that extent, I have quickly minuted this speech of yours to the Permanent Secretary and Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Justice, approving all your requests in this notes. As you can see, approving all your requests so that we can fully participate in the upcoming program of the foundation. It is in our own interest to participate. We are not doing you any favor. We need to participate in these programs in order to strengthen our capacity to implement, because we are key stakeholders in the implementation of administration of criminal justice law.
The visit concluded with a mutual understanding of the importance of sustained collaboration between CLEEN Foundation and the Ministry of Justice to Criminal Justice Administration to enhance justice delivery and improve community security in Edo State. God's Gift Omone reporting for BTV News.